you plan packaging crayfish as a small business, then this video is for you. You need to understand that it is not all crayfish that are good for packaging. Before you source for your crayfish for packaging, make sure the seeds are big, that the crayfish is sand free, well dried, less hair, less dirt, and tasty. So the next thing is to bake it with your oven. You bake with the lowest heat level of your oven. Please do not apply so much heat to crayfish or else it will burn. Okay, you bake it with the lowest heat of your oven and for 5 minutes or less. Why are we baking? To remove all this hair, to remove all this hair and to make sure that the crayfish dries very well. When it's dried very well, it can last up to 3 months in the shelf or even a little bit more. So after baking it and ensuring is okay, then you bring it out immediately. Pour it inside a tray so that it will cool. You must allow it to cool. Do not leave it inside that baking pan. Pour it inside the tray so that it will cool. So after cooling, then you pour it inside the basket for sieving and you start sieving just like I am doing now. Now the essence of this sieving is to remove sand, to remove dust, and to remove hair. So that's the work of the sieving. Okay, it is going to remove these 3 substances. So you keep on sieving until all the hair, all the sand, and all the dust are gone from the crayfish. Now after that process, the next process will now be to start picking the dirt. So I know you're getting value from this. Like this video, share it wide so that everyone who needs it will come in contact with it. Make a comment in the comment section. Tell us where you're watching this video from and the next item you want us to package. Okay, so you can see the dust and the hair that we removed. You can see it now. Now bear it in mind that as you're going through all this process, it will actually reduce the quantity of your crayfish. Okay, so now it's time for the last stage. The last stage is now picking the dirt and anything that is not crayfish, even all those little fishes that come with crayfish. You must make sure you pick them out. It's recommended you do this like 3 or 4 times. You pick the first time, pick the second time, the third time until you finish picking. Okay, now don't pick once or twice and say it's okay. Now it's also recommended you wear glove while picking. Okay, you can see our crayfish is neat and okay now for packaging. So make sure you like my video, subscribe, and follow us for more details, for more tips on packaging. Okay, so this crayfish is now ready for packaging. So in the next video we are going to package it. Crayfish that is properly processed will last nothing less than 3 months in a shelf. It can even last a little bit longer than that. So that's why it's recommended you follow the steps of processing that I'm showing you here while processing your own. So you can see the dirt that we removed. Do not forget to like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.